Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and to anyone that's new here, hi, my name's Christy. I'm a personal stylist that helps women rise through style. Now, a few times on my channel, we have done recreating Pinterest looks, and I love this challenge because it gets you to shop your closet. I talk to you guys all the time about the fact that outfit boredom is a real thing, and if we just spent a little extra time in our closet, you would be amazed at what you could come up with when it comes to outfit possibilities in your closet. So I pulled 3 images from my personal vision or style board for myself, and we're gonna recreate it based on what I have in my closet. Now, the one thing that I tell people is that it's not about having the exact pieces in your closet. If it ends up being a different color, a slightly different silhouette, different fabrics, whatever, that is all fine. It's not about replicating the outfit, although great if you're able to do that with pieces. It's just more about what you can use in your wardrobe to crack it open more and create more outfit possibilities based on what you already own and without needing to shop. So the first image that I'm looking at is a close-up, so it's not a full shot, so we're gonna use a little bit of the imagination here, but it's actually an image of a very monochrome look, all cream, which you guys know I love. Like, I'm the 2 neutrals I really go for heavy, especially in the fall time, is cream and camel. Like, oh my God, it's just like the best thing on the planet for me. So I love that monochrome looks are so elegant. That's really what speaks to me about this whole look, is that it's so elegant, and then it's just using very, very simple accessories, like a very simple belt that is in a shot of camel. So again, my other neutral I love. And then a very simple necklace to just finish off the look. Sorry, I couldn't talk there. And I love it. It's simple, it's elegant, it's timeless. You could use this at any point. But again, getting these pieces in a nice cut will really elevate the whole outfit and make it look gorgeous on your silhouette. So in terms of what I have, I don't have like a full cream trouser, because that looks like what she's got here. But I do have a cream jean, or like an off-white jean. And so that's what I thought of when I was looking at this, was these basic like cream denim pants that I have, and a little bit more, not quite a paper bag style, but they are the baggy slouchy jeans that have been on trend since the spring. I'm personally a huge fan of them. So I'm going to take this pair, and we're going to use this for the part of the outfit or look today. So it's going to be a little bit more on the casual side. Now, a cream turtleneck is, again, another basic. I love having turtlenecks in the wardrobe. That is definitely something that I have. Okay, so I have this nice cream turtleneck. So it's not quite the same coloring as the jean, which is okay. You don't have to have it totally matchy-matchy in order to pull off a nice monochrome look. And I like this one because it's a little bit more fitted. So again, it gives a little bit better tailoring, in my opinion. So I'm gonna use this for the outfit as well. Now, she also has a white jacket, and I actually don't have anything like that in my closet. And quite frankly, we're not in a temperature yet where I need something that warm. So I'm going to actually switch it up a little bit and grab a duster. Okay, so for those of you that follow me on my channel or have been for a while, you'll probably have seen this duster quite a few times. This is considered an evening trench. It's really long, but I love the soft draping fabric of it. To me, this creates like the same sort of elegant feel that you would get from a jacket. And I just love the drape of this one. I find it so elegant, and I think actually paired over the jeans and the turtleneck, this is actually gonna look really, really beautiful together. So I'm gonna use this as my layer. Now, she also had a very, very simple necklace. I might switch that up for something a little bit more bold, not only because it's trending to have something a little bit more bold this season, but again, I personally prefer statement jewelry. And again, I tell you guys all the time, it's about what you want for your personal style. And this, something's more statement speaks to me. So that's the direction I'm gonna head in terms of accessories. Now, for a belt, I don't have something as simple and as skinny as the one that the image is showing, but I do have one that's a little bit more classic in weight, and that is a camel color. So that's what I'm gonna grab. Okay, so for the belt, I've grabbed this Valentino belt that I have. You can definitely see it's a lot chunkier than what was in the photo, but again, this speaks to me, and I love the idea of pairing this against the creams. I think it's gonna look really, really nice. And because I don't know what her shoes were, because you can't see it in the photo, so I've just grabbed some simple nude heels to play on the sort of monochromatic look that we've got and the little shot of camel. I thought this is a really beautiful pairing. So I'm gonna put these pieces together, so let's see how they look. Okay, I actually love this combination. It feels very me. The fabrics are a little bit more casual, but you guys know I love a good evening trench or duster. They just add such drama to an outfit that makes me feel so good. And although I said I was gonna go the statement jewelry route, I actually liked the idea of layering some of my more dainty jewelry a little bit more once I had actually put this outfit together. But overall, this is a fall look I am absolutely loving and cannot wait to wear further this upcoming fall season. All right, this next look I absolutely love. It's a little elegant, it's a little boho. It looks like this effortless fall look, and I'm a junkie for long layers. It just really speaks to me and my style. So I love the long dress that this woman is wearing in the photo. I love the long jacket that she's got as well. And you can see that there's touches of embroidery in there. She's got the cool sunglasses, the cool necklaces, and all those long layers to me is what gives this sort of like boho vibe. But again, the mix of texture to me is what keeps it also kind of elegant and interesting as well. Now, admittingly, I actually don't have a long dress like what she's wearing that's like very spaghetti strap oriented, but I love all the warm sort of neutral colors that are in this look. So actually what I thought of with her dress, again, because I don't have anything like that, was actually a set that I bought from Vince that's silk that's also in this beautiful like rich camel color. That was instantly what came to mind. It's not quite boho-y, but I love the flow of it, and it was sort of mimicking the movement of the dress for me. So I'll show you what I've got. Okay, so here are the separates that I was thinking of. So again, I've got this beautiful Vince top that I love, and I love pairing this and tucking it into the matching skirt that goes with it. I know you guys are seeing a lot of neutrals from me today, but I love the idea of this. And again, the movement of the silk to me is what keeps it luxurious. And I know it's not quite as boho, but again, it was more the fabric that I was wanting to mimic in this photo that I thought looked really interesting. So I'm gonna use this as my base layer. Now, the other piece that I love is that she's got this really long, beautiful jacket with this look. Now, you guys saw my duster in the last one. I could technically use that, but the one that she's wearing looks a little bit more weighted, like it's a leather jacket almost. So I had the perfect suede like duster slash jacket that I thought would be perfect for it. It's not quite as long, but again, it's not about having the exact items. So it's the texture that I was after. So let me grab it. Okay, so here is the long dusters. It's not absolutely gorgeous. I love that this is just an easy throw on and go piece. This will be so effortless to, again, throw on over the silk, and the suede is gonna look so beautiful as a texture mix against that. So again, it's not quite the boho-y look, but I like that hers to me looks a little bit more leather oriented, and I thought this would be a lovely complement to kind of mimic that feel, and again, the mixture of texture that I was really after for this. So this is going to be my duster to go over top. Okay, now for her accessories, one of the things that I absolutely loved is she's got a cute little funky bag to go with this. And that kind of plays into that sort of boho creative feel. So instantly my mind went to this fun little bag that I have as well, which is this one. Like, is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And I love the weird shape and like the little flowers that are on it. To me, it's just so much fun. And I know this is very monochrome as well. Like, you guys never see this kind of neutral look from me, but I love the idea of pairing these together. I think it will be a lot of fun. And I love the little pops of like the coral pink that's on this. And again, this is velvet. So again, more texture mixing, which is what makes the outfits so interesting to me when you're putting them together. So I love the idea of putting this little bag with the whole look. And then last but not least, she's got some shoes that I really can't see, to be quite frank, under that dress. But because I've got so much texture going on, I was kind of going for more of a fall feel. I decided to grab these booties, again, suede, to go with the whole look that I thought would look really, really lovely together. And then I'm just going to throw on some jewelry. But in this case, because again, it's kind of got that boho feel, and I didn't want it to compete with the neckline of this shirt, I actually think I'm going to use earrings instead, just because I feel like there's a lot happening around the neckline between the collar of this blouse and the collar of the duster. So we're going to go for some big statement earrings and some sunnies to give a little bit of a 70s vibe. So let's see how it looks. Brushing hard on this look. I really love it, guys. I love beautiful warm tone browns. They are just one of my favorites in my closet, clearly, as you can see. Now, the only thing I probably would have added to this outfit is a nice chunky belt across the midsection. I feel like that would have divided up the silhouette a little bit. Didn't have to, but I probably would have done that in future. But I love the cute little funky bag and the cork it adds. And I definitely feel that I've made this look my own. And most importantly, I shopped my closet and created a new outfit that feels like me. Okay, now for look number 3, obviously we had to get a dose of color in there. So I'm sure most of you will look at this image and be like, of course you picked this one out. So I love this image because this woman is wearing a rainbow oriented looking skirt. I love all the color in this. And personally what spoke to me about this were the white boots. To me, the contrast of the white boots with the skirt added this really modern, slightly trendy feel, and it really caught my attention. But what gives it this effortless sort of laid back feel is the leather jacket that she threw on top of like a basic tee to go with this outfit. It looks very easy, like that casual, effortless throw on and go kind of style. And that's what I really, really love about it. Now, she kept her accessories quite minimal and she tucked her tee in, which also creates a really beautiful polish to the outfit. But the skirt is what the hero was for me in this. And I have a skirt that's so similar to this, again, that you guys may have seen a few times now on my channel. So let me go grab it. Okay, so here is the skirt. I'm sure you guys have probably seen this a million times, but I love all of the pleated details to it and all the color. It just seems so much fun to me. And God, like there's so many outfit possibilities that you could put with this. Now in her skirt, she had a shot of like a white stripe running through it, which is probably how she tied in the white boots. This is also very similar in that it has a white stripe. So being able to put white boots with this will also be really, really cool. So this will definitely be the first layer to this piece. Now, if you guys are regular watchers on my channel, you know I am not someone that opts for black very often. It's just not my thing. So I wanted to go more on the warm neutral side with this as opposed to black like what she was doing, mostly because honestly, I just don't really have black in my closet. So I wanted to grab a basic tee because again, those are foundational pieces in your closet. A good basic is to have your good traditional tees. I also love having them in shots of color. And of course, I've got a brown tee, so let me grab that. All right, so here is a basic tee. This one's actually from Walmart, and it's so comfortable. It's really, really comfy. I love the color. I thought it would pull well for the brown that's in the skirt already anyway. So I thought this would be a beautiful addition. And then because again, I'm not going in the black family for this look, I also decided to keep the leather jacket nice and warm also. So I've got my leather jacket that I wanted to also team with this look. It's not quite as structured as her jacket that she has, not quite as masculine feeling, but that's okay. This one is one that really works for my body type and my personal style. And again, that's what it's always all about. So this is one that I'm going to include in this look. And then one of the other heroes in this outfit are the white booties that she has. Now, I don't have ones that are short white ankle boots. I've been on the hunt for them, but I just haven't found one that really speaks to me yet. But I do have a taller off-white boot, which won't have quite the same attitude to the outfit, but I still really like the idea of using this in this look because it's going to add a little bit of warmth. So this will be perfect for the fall time as well. So let me grab those. All right, so here are the white boots for this look. So obviously a taller boot, but again, I'm okay with that. I love that this is gonna pull on the white in the skirt as well, which I think is really, really cool. So I'm actually excited to see what this looks like. And then the last piece of the puzzle for this is her bag. She has a smaller bag, and that's something that I wanted to go as well. And I wanted to really play on the white because again, that really spoke to me in this outfit as a contrast against the color. So I have this teeny tiny little white bag that I thought was really, really cute. And again, the patent like leather of this adds a nice, interesting texture again, because the texture is always gonna make an outfit a little bit more interesting. So this is going to be the final piece. So let's see how it looks. So here is the final look. I really, really love the warmer spin that I had put on this outfit. I do wish that I had a shorter white heel boot. That's definitely on my shopping list for future, but I still really Really appreciate this look and how it came out. I love that this skirt has beautiful shots of color. I mean, you guys know I love my color. But I really love the idea of going warmer with the silhouette rather than opting for the blacks. It makes it feel more like me. And again, just had to use things I already had. And if any of you want any wardrobe help with cracking open your closet, if you want more exercises similar to this, you want to see how I would go through them and how I can help you with your closet as well, I will leave the link for my Jumpstart Your Style program that has 14 video exercises helping you really unlock the outfit potential in your closet. So I'll have that listed down below in case you're interested. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the little red subscribe button down below. And other than that, my angels, I'm sending you all the love to the moon and back, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye guys.